Hi everybody, it's Sai and welcome back to Sai Art Shop channel. Well, I'm pleased to say I've varnished the leaf and it's all finished. So I'm going to turn it around and show you all this luxury leaf. Now I'm really pleased how it's come out. Absolutely marvellous. And there we go guys, what do you think? Da, 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 da. How fantastic is this? I'm so pleased how it's come out and hopefully you guys are too. And yeah, so there we go, it's all finished. It just needs to dry because of the varnish. And yes, it's with varnish on, it's made it sort of zing a bit more with the colours and things and bits and pieces. So yeah, you can see it, look, yeah, you can see it in the light there. Can you see that? It's all glistening nice. I'll put it up a bit closer for you. Okay, so there you go. How amazing is that? So what I'm going to do now is, this will be on the wall, obviously, in my luxury studio. And I shall also take some really good pictures of this and put it on my clothes shop, which is www.saiartshop.com. And you can see it on some clothes and on bags and on mugs and things like that. So you can actually see it in the flesh, so to speak. Well, not in the flesh, because you can only see it on the screens, okay, on your phones and things. But yeah, this is the one in the flesh. But you get the idea anyway. So you'll see it and then go from there. Okay, so hopefully, guys, you'll be inspired to make one of these yourselves. And that'll be absolutely amazing. And if you do, please let me see it, because I'd love to see what you guys get up to regarding making one of these. Okay, so I just wanted to say thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, and do whatever else you're supposed to do on my YouTube channel, because I need plenty of subscribers apparently. And I've only got about 6 at the moment, and I need about 1,000, I think, minimum. So wish me luck there, guys. Yeah, so, okay. I'm going to go now. I'm going to put that back down, let it dry, and I'll see you all on the next tutorial. And I don't know what it's going to be. I haven't decided yet. I might put a little poll out there and give you some options, and then you can tell me what you'd like me to make, and we can go from there. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you again shortly and very soon. Oh, that didn't make sense, did it? But anyway, you know what I'm trying to say. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye for now. And I'm going to use my little clicker, see if this stops. Does it stop? Will it stop? Will it stop? I'm still talking, so no, it's not stopped yet. I'm pressing it. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. But hey-ho, it's all a bit of fun, isn't it? And hopefully it will go off in a minute. Otherwise, you'll be watching me try to turn this video off. Okay? You know what I mean? What I'm saying? You do, that's great. And I don't think it's going to work. I don't know why it doesn't work. I changed the battery and everything, and it should work. So I think I need to get a luxury clicker. Look at this one. It's obviously not good enough. It's not up for the job, is it? It's not manly enough for the job.